You see some amazing sights at the VanLife Festival, like a man taking his toilet for a walk. Right, so this year we have been invited up to the VanLife Festival 2024 in Shrewsbury, and we are on the Field of Inspiring Dreams, and let's have a look around to see what amazing motors there are here. You ain't getting away with it, Banksy. Van tour, come on.
I'm feeling a bit worse for wear this morning.
I guessed that. What time did you get up?
Get up?
Yeah.
What time is it now?
11:15.
And probably about half an hour ago. Sink, dual hob. This is obviously the end of the bed, but that comes off. Food cupboard. Fridge. Water container. Toilet. Storage in the restroom, there's random rubbish in there. Floating cupboard with all the cutlery and stuff. Overhead storage for bed stuff. Bed. Pause that. I'll try and make it up in time for you.
And why have you attended the VanLife Festival?
Because it's amazing.
Okay, so I'm now going to go down and meet little Phoebe from Six in a Bus, and she's going to introduce herself, show me around where she lives with her family, and show you the amazing creation they've got in a double-decker.
Hi, my name is Phoebe. Welcome to my home. I'll show you around. This is one of the original seats, and here's like where the luggage was from the original bus. This is a swing. In here, there's a toilet, tap and shower. Under here is the generator, and we use this as an office space. This is like our dining area and where we eat. This is like the lounge area or the reading area. Behind here is like the back bed where the garage is. I'll show you upstairs. This is the kitchen, and this is where my mum cooks. This is mine and my sister's bedroom. Here's the cab, and when we're driving we flip this round so it covers the stairs, so while we're driving nobody can get in the stairs. Thank you.
Well, thank you again, Phoebe. She was absolutely amazing. I did ask her a couple of questions. I did say to her, what is the best thing about bus life? And she did say to me that it's waking up in different locations to amazing views. But she did say that the worst thing about bus life was in the summer, she needs aircon, it's too hot in the bus. Right, time for a little break as I'm absolutely starving. Amazing vans here, and I need a munch before I carry on. And the verdict is 10s all round. So Paul's van is currently for sale. Paul, you've got 25 seconds to tell me why someone should buy your van.
Because this is the best van here. No, it's a VW Crafter, 2018, done 89,000 miles, but full history, and it's had a lot of work done to it. There's probably been more money spent on this van than the van was worth when I bought it.
Right then, ladies and gents, the Making of Doris. Tell us all about it, matey.
I bought it as a bus 3 years ago. Totally stripped it down, as you can see by the pictures, down to the bare chassis. Some serious rust on places. The step for a start.
Jeez.
Yeah, so we've just started again. Rebuilt it over time, and come and have a look.
Very cosy.
Yeah.
Completely off grid?
Yes. Well, we've got a microwave, but the cable's cut off. We've never used it, so we just rely on 12 volt for everything from the gas.
Yeah.
And we survive on that easily enough.
Shower unit?
Yeah. electric toilet, little basin. We are in there. A lot of things. It looks expensive. The ceiling. I think
Yeah.
that was about £120 for that. Trims cost more than the panels,
Yeah.
which is the usual thing, isn't it?
Fantastic. So there we go, everyone. The Making of Doris. Follow them on Instagram and check out the mods that they've done on their bus. An absolute beast of a vehicle, owned by a veteran. Let's have a quick look and then we'll go around the Field of Dreams. Now that is just showing off. So when you do the Field of Dreams here at the VanLife Festival, you mainly stay by your van, but you can go for walks as long as you leave a little note there and answer any questions when members of the public come by and see you later on. But it's great to walk around as well, so let's go and see some live music. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. Best thing about these festivals is I will eat exactly what I want. Well, seeing as it's nice and dark now, I can't think of a better place to say goodnight to you than this amazing setup. So here's goodnight to you all. An amazing day here on the Field of Dreams at the VanLife Festival 2024. Sadly, that's it for me. It's the end of the 2024 VanLife Festival here in Shrewsbury. Time to get back on the road and get back home and back to work, sadly. Pack the van, have a bit of munch before I go, obviously. But stick around to the end. I'm going to whack some pictures up at the end of the video so you can see what the VanLife Festival was from the ground in the air. And I'll catch you next time.
Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head, So please don't let them get in your head, thick skin, trying